insulators. Here it is, finally. It is a new concept for a vacuum trailer. In fact, we call this the VacTrailer Duo. The first one that came out was called the VacTrailer Combo because it has a combination dump as well as a house for the equipment. This one is called the Duo because you can have more than one machine on here. This is very valuable in a few different ways. Number one, a lot of you already have a dumpster. This will work right alongside it. Number two, this gives you both a vacuum and a blower, so you don't have to cart on and off the job with different trailers. Thirdly, everything is level. You don't have to reach up high or climb up into a trailer. You don't have to roll the machinery off. It's all stable, ready to go, very fast and efficient setups and teardowns. We have designed this trailer to be versatile. You don't have to have a blower and a vacuum. You can have two vacuums and do the daisy chain effect. You can also put a larger blower on the front or a smaller vacuum in the back. It's all up to you. This offers a lot of space for hoses. You can add an additional hose rack in the front as well. This will hold more hose than any trailer on the market that we know of. Also, as a regular trailer, this has pockets for stakes, so you can put sides on this to handle your material. Also, you can put your vacuum bags that you're vacuuming into right here on the trailer as well if you desire to do that. Also, there is plenty of room for storage with a toolbox. You can put all your connectors and accessories. We have a U.S. patent on this trailer, and it is a one-of-a-kind, and you can get it directly through us at Installation Machines.